Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A70, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need. It is this SIM eject tool. They come provided with in the box of the phone, and if you don't have it, you can always use something like a paper clip. Now I don't have one to actually show, but all you need to do is just straighten out one edge of it so it fits into the tray and pushes it out. So the tray is located on the left upper side of the phone right here, where you can see it's kind of like hanging right now, and push it in and you'll see that the tray pops out. Take it all the way, and here you can see that there is space for two different SIM cards. So you just put them like this, both go the same way as long as you actually don't drop them out. Okay, like so. Now make sure that it actually goes in there firmly. If you're putting the SIM card for the first time, I'm pretty sure it's going to be quite tight in there, and you can see that it doesn't fall out, so it's sitting there securely. So make sure that it doesn't actually stick out anywhere. As you can see, it's flush in there. And then same thing goes for the SD card, also kind of clips in there so it doesn't fall out. The fact that it doesn't fall out is really nice. Might be a little bit inconvenient to push them in there, but at the end of the day, it's way easier to actually slide it back into the phone. So as you can see, they're both laying in there like this, with the SIM card, with the cutout on the SIM card being located on the bottom right corner. And if you want to put a second card in there, it goes basically the same way. So once it is set up, you just want to slide it back in here. And I should have a pin confirmation because the SIM card has a pin. So let me just put it in here, tap on OK, and I can unlock it. There was a SIM and SD card as well, so both of them are working just fine. And that is how you insert SIM and SD card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.